Something unexpected may be happening in the mirrorless camera world. Insta360, a company best known for 360-degree cameras and action cameras, could reportedly be preparing to launch a proper interchangeable lens mirrorless camera. The rumored Insta360 Z-One has already attracted attention after leaked images appeared online showing a compact white camera body with Z-One branding. Later photographs reportedly showed the camera attached to an Olympus 14 to 42mm lens, creating strong speculation that Insta360 has chosen the Micro Four Thirds mount for its first mirrorless system camera. That would be a surprisingly bold decision. Rather than creating a completely new lens mount and asking customers to wait for compatible lenses, Insta360 could immediately gain access to one of the most established compact camera ecosystems available today. Micro Four Thirds already includes lenses from OM System and Panasonic, along with a wide range of third-party options. If the Insta360 Z-One provides full electronic communication with compatible lenses, buyers could potentially have access to autofocus, electronic aperture control, and a massive selection of optics from the moment they purchase the camera. The leaked sensor information is equally interesting. The camera is rumored to feature a 20-megapixel Micro Four Thirds sensor, with some alleged sample files reportedly showing approximately 5,280 by 3,956 pixels. Those numbers have led to speculation that the sensor could be related to Sony's IMX472. That sensor has already been used in several MFT cameras, so if the reports are accurate, Insta360 could be starting its mirrorless journey with a sensor that has already proven itself. That could actually make a lot of sense. Insta360's biggest strengths are not necessarily traditional sensor development or optical engineering. The company has become successful by combining relatively compact hardware with advanced stabilization, computational processing, AI features, and software. Using a mature sensor would allow the company to focus on those areas instead. And that could be where the Z-One becomes genuinely different. A 20MP sensor by itself is not revolutionary, but combine it with powerful processing, intelligent autofocus, strong stabilization, high frame rate video, and a creator-focused interface, and the overall camera could become much more interesting. The rumored price makes this possibility even more appealing, with reports suggesting a body only costs somewhere in the $599 to $799 range. If Insta360 can hit that price while maintaining good build quality and reliable performance, the Z-One could become an accessible entry into the Micro Four Thirds world. It could appeal to beginners who want their first interchangeable lens camera, creators who need a compact video body, and existing MFT photographers looking for something different. The lens ecosystem is perhaps the biggest reason this camera deserves attention. Micro Four Thirds has been around for many years, and that has given manufacturers enough time to build an enormous range of lenses. You can find compact primes, fast portrait lenses, wide-angle zooms, macro lenses, travel zooms, and long telephoto options. For a new camera manufacturer, gaining access to that entire ecosystem immediately is a huge advantage. The leaked Olympus 14 to 42mm combination is especially interesting because it suggests the Z-One may not be limited to a proprietary lens system. If the camera really uses an active MFT mount, existing electronic lenses could potentially communicate with it normally. That could mean autofocus and aperture control would work without complicated adapters. For creators, the video specifications could be even more important than still image performance. Insta360 has never been a company focused exclusively on traditional photography. Its products are designed around movement, action, stabilization, and content creation. The Z-One could continue that philosophy while adding the flexibility of interchangeable lenses. Leaked photographs reportedly show multiple microphones and significant internal cooling. Those details could indicate that the camera is being designed for extended video recording. High-performance video generates heat, especially in compact bodies, so a larger cooling system could help maintain performance during long recording sessions. There has also been speculation about 4K video at 120 FPS. If confirmed, that would make the Z-One particularly attractive to creators who want slow-motion footage. Sports, travel, cinematic sequences, action videos, and social media content could all benefit from that capability. Whether the camera can sustain those modes for long periods without overheating will be just as important as the headline frame rate. Then there is stabilization. FlowState has been one of Insta360's signature technologies, so expectations are high that some version of the company's stabilization system will appear in the Z-One. The exact implementation remains unknown, but combining advanced electronic stabilization with traditional mechanical stabilization could potentially produce extremely smooth handheld footage. The physical design reportedly takes an equally unconventional approach. Instead of a large DSLR-inspired body, the Z-One appears to be compact and relatively flat. There is reportedly no traditional viewfinder hump, suggesting the camera could be designed around its rear screen rather than an EVF. That would make sense if Insta360 is targeting vloggers. A large flip-out display can be more useful to a creator recording themselves than a traditional viewfinder. It also makes the camera easier to use for vertical content, low-angle shots, travel videos, and solo production. At the same time, Insta360 appears to be giving photographers physical controls. Leaked images reportedly show multiple dials, including controls for exposure-related settings. That combination of creator-friendly design and traditional manual controls could make the camera appealing to a much wider audience than a simple vlogging camera. Autofocus is another major piece of the puzzle. Reports connected to the leaked images have suggested face and animal detection. If Insta360 can combine those features with a micro Four Thirds sensor and interchangeable lenses, the Z-One could potentially become a very capable everyday camera. Still, the concept itself is exciting. The Insta360 Z-One could combine the maturity of the micro Four Thirds ecosystem with the modern creator technology that Insta360 has spent years developing. If the company can execute that idea properly, it may not just be launching its first mirrorless camera. It could be creating an entirely new bridge between traditional photography and modern content creation.